In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom live wallpaper in Windows 11. If you're tired of static backgrounds and want your desktop to feel more dynamic and personalized, live wallpapers are a great way to do that. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process from start to finish, so you can safely and easily get an animated background running on your Windows 11 PC. First, let's quickly talk about what a live wallpaper actually is. Instead of a simple image, a live wallpaper is usually a video or animated scene that plays in the background of your desktop. Because Windows 11 doesn't support live wallpapers natively, we'll need to use a third-party app to make this work. Don't worry, I'll explain the key options and how to set them up. Start by opening your browser and searching for a reputable live wallpaper application that supports Windows 11. Look for something well-reviewed and commonly used, ideally from the Microsoft Store or a trusted developer website. Download and install the app, then launch it once the installation is complete. Inside the app, you'll typically see a library of built-in live wallpapers, along with an option to add your own custom file. Since we want a custom live wallpaper, prepare your video or animation beforehand. A short looping video in MP4 or a similar common format usually works best. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or videos folder. Now, in the Live Wallpaper app, choose the option to add or browse for your own file. Navigate to the folder where you saved your video, select it, and confirm. The app should generate a preview so you can see how it will look as your desktop background. Take a moment to check that the video is framed correctly and that it fits your screen resolution. Most apps will give you some settings to tweak, such as playback quality, frame rate, or whether to pause the wallpaper while you're running a full-screen game. It's a good idea to enable performance options that reduce resource usage when you're on battery or using demanding applications. This helps keep your system responsive. Once you're happy with the look and the performance settings, apply or set the wallpaper as your desktop background from within the app. Minimize your windows and confirm that the animation is playing smoothly behind your icons and taskbar. Finally, make sure the app is set to start automatically with Windows, so your live wallpaper loads every time you sign in. With that done, you've successfully set a custom live wallpaper on Windows 11 and given your desktop a fresh animated look.